at the India's oldest and most advanced hair replacement center, hairworldwide.com. This center was established in 1992 and having more than 1 lakh satisfied customers. It is recommended by many film and TV stars, sport persons, and many more renowned personalities all over the world. We were first to introduce hair replacement, hair bonding, and natural looking patches in India. We provide our services in 2 ways. First, by fixing your hair problem at our center, and second, by delivering a ready-to-wear hair system supply at your doorsteps. Let's meet our expert and ask questions which are in your mind. What is hair replacement system and how it is different from hair transplantation?
Hair transplantation is surgical method, and it's very painful process. Everybody know about it. And in hair replacement, it's a completely non-surgical method. And there's thousands of people who already did hair transplantation. After that, they did hair replacement because they have not got any result. So hair replacement is just like wearing a cap. It takes hardly 45 minutes to 1 hour, and it's done. You can normally comb, dye, pump, swim, everything without any problem.
What is difference between hair replacement system and wigs?
Wig, actually you need to wear on entire head. Your own existing hair also go inside, so, and it doesn't look natural at all. But the hair replacement system, you have to wear only on the particular area where you don't have any hair. So once it is fixed, it's fixed for 4 to 6 weeks. You can comb, dye, pump, swim, you can do everything without any problem.
What are the precautions I need to take after and before the fixing of hair replacement system?
Nothing. You just come to our center or order online, and rest we will do everything for you. And after that, relax for 4 to 6 weeks, and you can do everything normally, like dye, swimming, comb, everything without any problem. You don't need to take any precaution for that.
Can I do normally my day-to-day normal activities after wearing this?
Yes, without any problem. You just treat it as your own existing hairs and feel more confident.
What is the difference between hair weaving, hair bonding, and glue fixing, and which is better?
We have started 28 years back. That was hair weaving. Hair weaving is you have to fix it with the help of thread. It's a long and lengthy process. It takes 2 hours and slightly painful also. Nowadays that is completely outdated. Now there are latest method. One is called hair bonding. Hair bonding, you can fix your hair your own within 30 seconds, and as same you can remove it in 30 seconds. So it's so easy. But if you want, no, I want to wear it for 4 to 6 weeks, then you have to go for hair glue. And once it is fixed with glue, it will be fixed for 3 weeks to 6 weeks. You can comb, swim, dye, you can take bath normally without any problem.
Do I need to come regularly for servicing or follow-up?
Depend. If you want to do your service yourself at your home, you can do it. And if you want us to do your service, you have to come to our center after 4 to 6 weeks for servicing. We normally charge as normal, all the salons charge for haircut. So it's and we do hair cutting plus conditioning, shampoo, everything we will do it for you. And we charge normally like other salons charge for a haircut.
What is hair replacement at home? I do not need to come to center at all.
In Europe and the USA now this concept is very popular. People like to do their own service at home. So they don't come to clubs because the service is very expensive. So what they do, they learn themselves with the help of our videos. You don't need to come to our center, and it is as good as you're visiting a hair replacement center. It's not compulsory you have to be expert or something like this. Once your patch is cut, styled, you can do your service your own at your home without any problem, and it is very effective and very good.
What if I'm not in India? Where I go for my servicing?
See, these hair replacement centers are available all over the world. You can go anywhere in the world for hair servicing, and but they will not be reasonable as we are. But I will personally suggest you, instead of going for that, you can easily do your service at home, so you don't need to go to any replacement center.
What about your hair quality and the base type? Do you use human hair in your systems?
Yes, we use 100% natural human hair and Indian hairs. Indian hairs are best in the world. We don't use any synthetic hair in our patches. And about the base means the where we will weave hair and you will fix on your head. That you can select at our website.
How we can contact you and how much time it will take?
Normally, if you want to do your service, you want to do your fixing, you can come to any of our center, but take appointment and do it. It takes 45 to 1 hour. That's all. But you want to order online, it will take minimum 1 week because we make all the patches customized for every person. So we'll cut it, style it, and deliver at your doorstep. We will send you ready patches. You just fix it yourself and do your service yourself. Then you don't need to come to any of the center, and it is as good as coming to a replacement center.
We strive our best to answer all your queries prior asking. If still have any questions in mind, feel free to write to us at hairproductsmart@gmail.com or WhatsApp at +91 73536 73536. You can also visit our website at www.hairproductsmart.com or www.hairworldwide.com.